Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro are so quiet. And the first one, I recommended to clean the grill on your earbuds. So remove your ear tip. And right here we have a grill on the left and the right earbud, so you can use a toothbrush, but I have cleaning tool, so I'm going to clean with it and make the same with the right one. Next, if you have this problem only for the one of the earbuds, you can change sound balance and it can fix a bit your problem. So if you have Apple device, you need to open settings and then go to accessibility. Right here you need to scroll down and go to audio and visual. Scroll down again, and right here we have a balance, so just move it to the right or to the left. But you need to know that when you, let's say, increase it for the right earbud, you will lower the volume on your left earbud. Okay, but if you have Android, you also open settings and then go to accessibility. Scroll down right here and you need to allocate audio adjustment. And right here we have the same audio balance, so move it to the right or to the left earbud. Also, maybe your earbuds is just too old and this is a problem. And the last one, if these methods didn't help you, I recommended to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.